Hi guys, today I want to show you how to troubleshoot electrical leakage or short underground. Okay, now got one of the fuse strip. Okay, if I on this switch, okay, then the tripler will trip here, then you can on. Okay, you can on. Okay, if I on this one, then that one the power is trip. Okay, see? I on that one, okay. Then I on this one again, then the power is trip. Okay, now that means this line, okay, got problem. Okay, this one is a wiring, it's a ring system. The system, if you lucky, maybe you can disconnect one of the wire here, then one of the wire to the output terminal. Okay, now you have to unscrew this cable. Okay, first you must disconnect this terminal. That one you already off this terminal, you disconnect. Okay, just unscrew, then pull out. Okay, you pull out already. Then you put one terminal, this one the meter, one terminal you put to the ground. Then you must, okay, this one must put to the 10K range. Then the other one you touch this one, so you will see that meter show the reading. That mean this cable, okay, got short or leakage. Then you can take out this one. Okay, take out this one, then check one by one. Okay, this one also, that one got leakage. Then the other one you check also leakage. So now you have to check to the output terminal. Okay, now you have to go to the line, check the output terminal, which one is no power output, because this one you already disconnect and you off the power. Okay, so now we go to the table, we check every table, because MCB to the cable, underground cable, we already off. So we check which one. Or this one on, that means still got supply here, that means this one okay. Then try this one. Okay, this one okay. Check here. Okay, that means this table got no supply, because I off already the MCB at the dB. Okay, so we check. This one should be okay, no supply also. Then the other one is this one. Okay, now we have to open this cover. Okay, now we measure the ohm reading, but still got reading here. That means live and ground still short. Okay, so we take out this white cable. Okay, so we can check this one. Got two cable from the ground. This one, the light cable, got two cable from ground. One this one and one this one. Okay, so now we check this one first. Okay, this one still got short. Okay, still short. Then the other one is this one, this cable. Okay, this cable, that one from that one. Okay, and this point and this point, these 2 points. Okay, we check. Okay, not short. Okay, so you cut one of the cable here. Okay, we cut that one. Got one is the ground, the light cable here. Okay, we only get one input here. Okay, only we got one input here to here. Okay, one input, just got only one. So the return cable, we just off it. Okay, we just cut the return cable, only one cable here. So now okay, no ohm reading, there be no more short. Okay, we check it again. This one and this one, these two. Okay, light and ground. Okay, now still okay. That means got one cable to the ground, light cable to the ground. This one is a return cable to MCB, already short underground. So if you want to repair this one, you have to remove all the cable, underground cable. So we just cut this one. Okay, cut this one, so we only use one cable here. Okay, only use one cable. So now we solve the problem. So now these two cable, okay, these two cable already we separate it. These two cable, these two light cable. Okay, this one sure got one short and one is okay. So we check one by one. Okay, we check this one. Okay, got reading, that means this one is short. Okay, we try another one. This one, okay, still okay. But this cable, that means this cable still can use, and this one already short, so we don't use this one. We just cut it. Okay, we cut it because we don't use already. We only use one cable. So now we connect back this cable to this one, to the position. Okay, to the position. So we off it first for safety. So now you just this one, make sure it's you tighten properly, because this one is a light cable. Okay, tighten properly. So we on it again, then we go and check whether that one can on or not. So now we check whether got supply. Okay, now here got supply. Okay, we try another one. Here also. Okay, so now the problem is solved. We only to have to cover it back. all the thing. Okay, so now everything settled. Check again. So the supply is back to the normal. Okay, that's all how to solve underground cable short or leakage easily. So we don't need to disable all the cable, only we cut only the problem cable. Thanks for watching.